Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets filling the gap first of all, and then Nifty kind of closing negative, but Bank Nifty definitely not closing negative at this point, right? We saw a very huge short covering in the end. So what can we expect over here? Are we gonna see more fall tomorrow? Can tomorrow's expiry be positive with some? I mean, for some reason, what can happen, right? So over here, very simple thing. First of all, in the daily charts, if we see, right, markets have reached a new all-time high, but they've faced resistance. So from here, today's low will be very important. If markets break today's low, then we could probably expect 43,000 to 43,000 to 42,800 on the downside in the coming days, right? Because from here it will look like the markets have kind of given a breakout failure over here, and whenever there is a breakout failure, there is a very big chance of a sell-off, or of a very good sell-off in the market, right? Talking about Nifty also, Nifty will also look, I mean, it will Nifty will also see a very good move down till 18,200, right? If Nifty crosses today's low. So what can you do over here is very simple, right? Going back into the 15-minute chart, definitely Bank Nifty has closed very good. Tomorrow, if you open with a gap up, right? So uh, before that, let's talk about the two levels that are very important: 44,500 and 43,850, right? These two levels are very important, right? Any break in these levels and we could see a very good trending market on either side. So mark these two levels and just trade accordingly, right? So from here, if we go above 44,500, we can expect a trending market till 45,000 in the coming days, right? Maybe not in this week, but tomorrow. To how can you trade tomorrow? When will 44,500 get broken tomorrow, right? So very simple. If we open with a gap of say somewhere near 44,400, 300, let the market sustain below 44,500 for some time. Do not go ahead and take a trade at the open itself, because what could happen is that markets could maybe make a double top over here, right? That could happen, right? Markets could make a double top over here, or maybe markets could see a sell off exactly at the opening itself, right? So let the markets wait over here for some time, because again, as I also say, that markets, if they go ahead and do a breakout without waiting, that most probably breakout will result into a failure, because no new buyers are not getting added into the market, right? So as soon as we break out, a lot of people could start booking their profits, which could bring the market down again. So let the market stay near 44,500 for some time. In the second half, if you get a breakout near the end, then you guys can go ahead and aim for a good 200 points easily, because since it will be the end of the day, right? So you probably cannot expect 45,000 to come tomorrow itself, right? So you can expect 44,700, 650 to come easily on the upside, right? If we open flat over here, we will just not trade. Although what you can do over here is sell 44,600 or 500 call, and 43,800 or 700 put on the downside, and just hold it for the day, right? Because if markets open flat and just stay in this range, you most probably both of your options will go to zero by the end of the day, and then you can make money. On the downside, we should not go below 43,850, because from here we can expect 43,000 very easily, right? So tomorrow, if you open with a gap down somewhere near 44,000 and just wait over here for some time, right? For some time, by I mean that maybe three or kind of two candles, 15-minute candles above 43,850, and if we break down after that, do not hesitate to go ahead and take a bearish trade, because from here we can easily expect 43,500 tomorrow itself, and in the coming days we can also expect 43,000 on the downside, right? Talking about Nifty definitely has not closed as bullishly as Bank Nifty. This is because there was the MSCI index rebalancing, because of which we saw a very good very good buying in Kotak Bank and a very good selling in Reliance, right? Because of which we saw such a negative closing in Nifty and not in Bank Nifty, right? So what can you do in Nifty is very simple. Below 18,004, 85 is where you guys can go ahead and take a short trade in Nifty. Your target will easily be 18,400 on the downside, because I am expecting that markets will continue to move down from here if we break tomorrow's low, right? So if you open flat and start moving down, so you do not hesitate to sell or take a short trade till 18,400 on the downside. On the upside, we will only buy once Nifty goes above 18,650 or 660 to be very precise. Above 18,660 is only where we'll go ahead and take a buying trade. If say we open somewhere near 18,600, 620, let the markets wait over here for some time. Even if we say after opening, say we open at 18,640, right, and cross this high, do not take a trade instantly. Let the markets make a high. Once that high is again broken, then only go ahead and take a trade, because what could happen is that we are opening straight up at a resistance. So even if we might break a little bit, even if we might break this high a little bit, we could come down again and we could see a pullback and then an up move, right? So stop loss might get hit and then the markets might move up, right? That could be a very possible scenario. So do not go on jumping into a bullish trade as soon as we open. Let the markets consolidate a little or take a pullback. Once markets again break their highs, then take a trade. That is a way better way of doing of trading, right? On the other hand, if we open in this sort of in this range between, you can sell 18,700 or 18,650 call on the upside, and 18,450 450 put on the downside, and just hold it for the day. And yeah, most probably markets then could go ahead and kind of stay in this range for tomorrow, and then maybe you could see some sort of a momentum on Friday, right? So I guess that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.